Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about image formation in concave mirror. How image is formed in concave mirror and what is the position of object and position of image in a concave mirror. Okay. So we now understood about different terms. Those are used in concave mirror. So accordingly, if position of object will be in between P and F, that is pole and focus, then where will be the image formed? Behind the mirror. The image will be behind the mirror and it is virtual and erect and enlarged. Though concave mirror forms real image, but only in one condition it forms virtual image. What is that condition? When object is placed between pole and focus. In that case only this concave mirror forms virtual image. It is erect and enlarged than the object. Next, when the object is placed at F, that is principal focus, okay, then the image position will be at infinity. It will be real and inverted. Rest of the images will be always real and inverted in concave mirror, but the size may vary and the position may vary. Okay, so when it is at F, infinity image will be real inverted and highly magnified. That means image will be highly magnified, enlarged, highly enlarged. Next position between F and C, that is between focus and center of curvature. Then the image position will be beyond C, beyond center of curvature, real and inverted, larger than the object. This image will also be larger than the object but not highly magnified. Okay, now next position is at C. When object will be placed at C, then image will be also at C, real inverted and equal size, same size. Next, when it is placed beyond C, then image will be between F and C, real and inverted, smaller than the object. Okay, now last one. If object is placed at infinity, then image position will be at focus and real inverted, highly diminished. We can learn it by few tricks, like when it is placed between P and F, then behind the mirror. This is only one condition, and rest of the things, just look at the rest of the position of the object. When at F, then at infinity image. Now look at here, when at infinity object, then at focus, at F image. Okay, just you can understand in this way, vice versa. Okay, now next one, when between F and C, then beyond C, between F and C, then beyond C, when beyond C, then between F and C, vice versa. Okay, now next one, when at F, then always at, when at C, then always at C. Now I have made few ray diagram of the image formation when it is at C. When the object is placed at center of curvature, then we can draw a ray diagram. How? Then one ray, the incident ray, will fall here somewhere on the surface of the reflecting surface of the mirror, and another ray will pass through the focus of this mirror. Then again, after reflecting, this ray will cross through focus, this reflected ray, and this reflected ray will come on this position. Okay, so the incident ray which falls somewhere, that will pass through the focus and come this side, and the incident ray that is passing through the focus will come and join at this point, and the inverted image will be formed, that is equal size. At C, real, inverted and equal size as the object is. Next, when it is placed beyond C, when object is placed beyond C, then in the same way light ray will fall, incident ray will fall on the surface of mirror, and the reflected ray will pass through the focus like this. Okay, here also it is passing through the focus, this incident ray. the another incident ray will pass here through the center of curvature. This will go through the center of curvature and then return on the same way as well. The reflected ray will return on the same way as well, and here the reflected ray will pass through the focus, and this is the joining point. And we know that for image formation, two reflected rays should meet somewhere, and this is the meeting point. Here image will be formed and the image will be real inverted and smaller than the object. This will be real inverted and smaller than the object. This is how image is formed in concave mirror. Okay, and in convex mirror, image is always formed virtual, that is inside the mirror, behind the mirror, and it is always diminished, smaller than the object. Okay, now you look at the screen.